You ever check your bank account and feel like you are in a horror movie? You were like, who spent all my money? Then realize it was you. On iced lattes, food delivery, and that one impulse Amazon buy you swore was a necessity. It is okay. We have all been there. But if you are tired of watching your money disappear faster than free pizza on campus, then listen up. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a budget that actually works. Not one that is full of spreadsheets, guilt trips, or unrealistic savings goals. We are talking about a budget that fits your real life. Even if you are a student, side hustler, or just starting out with crypto. Let's start where all financial breakthroughs begin, with clarity. Know your why before the how. Before you track $1, you need to figure out your why. Why are you budgeting? To stop living paycheck to paycheck? To invest in crypto? To finally take that trip without maxing your credit card? Your why gives your budget a purpose. Without it, budgeting feels like dieting during Thanksgiving. Write it down, visualize it. Your why is your anchor when things get tough. Because budgeting is not just about cutting costs. It is about building the life you want, one smart decision at a time. Now, it is time for truth. Where is your money really going? Open your banking app and scroll through last month. Yes, it might be scary. No, this is not a judgment zone. Categorize every expense. Essentials, rent, food and gas. Non-essentials, Starbucks, subscriptions, impulse, crypto buys, savings, if any. This is called a spending audit, and it reveals your habits like a financial X-ray. Most people do not have a money problem. They have a money awareness problem. Knowing where it goes, that is how you take control. Build a realistic budget, not a fantasy. This is where most budgets fail. They are based on fantasy, not reality. So instead of swearing you will never spend on takeout again, plan for it. If you like boba tea or DoorDash, budget for it. Use the 50-30-20 rule as your baseline. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, or debt payoff. Or tweak it. Make it 60-20-20, 70-10-20. Whatever works for your life. What matters is that every dollar has a job, and your budget reflects your real priorities. Not some Instagram influencer's perfect life. Remember, a budget is not supposed to punish you. It is supposed to empower you. Automate the boring stuff. Want to stick to your budget without relying on willpower? Automate everything. Set up automatic transfers right when you get paid. 10% to savings, 10% to your investing account. Yes, even if it is crypto. Bills, auto-paid. Rent, sent out on time. You do not need to be disciplined if you are consistent. Automation takes emotion out of the equation. You are not deciding whether to save. You already did. Plus, the fewer decisions you need to make, the less likely you are to mess it up. Think of automation as your personal financial assistant, one that does not talk back or charge hourly. Let's get real. If your budget does not include fun, it is doomed. Seriously, you cannot go from daily lattes and streaming binges to oatmeal and spreadsheets without breaking down. You need a guilt-free spending category. This is for things that make you feel alive, whether it is concert tickets, thrift store hauls, or new crypto coins you are curious about. Give yourself permission to enjoy money. Responsible. Why? Because budgeting is not about restriction. It is about intentional living. You do not need to cut the joy out of life. Just make sure joy fits in the plan. Becoming the boss of your money. The assistant's energy to you are, it seems service eyes. Here is the real win. A good budget does not just change your finances. It changes how you see yourself. You are no longer reacting to your money. You are directing it. You are not just surviving. You are strategizing. You are building a future where your crypto investments do not compete with your rent. You will start to feel lighter, more confident, more in control. And the best part? It all started with one simple decision: to pay attention. Now that you have got a budget that actually works, what if you could boost your income to make that budget even more powerful? In the next video, I will show you the best side hustles for extra income. Even if you are busy, broke, or totally new to the game, we will cover fast, legit ways to earn online and offline, and how to stack cash without losing your sanity. So hit that like button, subscribe for weekly financial game plans, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. Because managing money is great, but growing it, that is the next level. See you in the next video.